Windows are the lifelines of every home. They bring in fresh air and light and impart positive upbeat vibe to your home. Even from the point of view of aesthetic, their placement and design contribute to making your home look more spacious and elegant. These days, along with their placement, homeowners and especially designers have started paying more attention to window grill design as well, mainly because they help in setting up a functional window. At the same time, they give a distinct character to your windows. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. In this video, we discuss about the modern window grill design. By choosing the right kind of modern window grill design, you can not only keep fresh air and light coming but also bypass the intruders like dust, insects and birds. Apart from the security, a modern window grill design also makes your home look more stylish and up to the minute. Check out this sample grill from Windows, which is designed to welcome more sunshine and air into the room. The vertical metallic bars are fastened to a metal frame and tiny horizontal bars are inserted in between a crate beak. The frame is attached to the window walls using screws and can be dismantled anytime. Apart from bringing a ventilation source, the grill also offers premium safety to the home. Take a look at this beautiful grill design for windows, which elevates the curb appeal of your home. The design offers full coverage to the windows and prevents any unwanted intrusion. The unique combination of mesh arrow patterns create a perfect blend of traditions. This type of grill design is ideal for rooms facing the garden. Take a look at this window grill that exudes a modern charm in its design. Unlike the conventional grill, which are fit snugly into window cavity, this one goes right above the window to give a fortress-like feel. The frosted glass acts as a double layer of protection against birds and pests. The simple and elegant design ensures your home gets all the attention it deserves. If you are looking for minimal, non-intrusive design for your window, then take a look at this one. The four vertical bars get wider at the center with a slightly rounded design for looks and functionality. The horizontal bars offer extra protection and strength to the metallic frame. The simple design works quite well for small and narrow size apartment windows. Painting the frame in white works like a perfect contrast to the black powder coated grills. Stainless steel window grills are an ideal pick for places with high humidity, due to which regular iron can easily corrode. Along with being rust-proof and weatherproof, stainless steel grills are also high on looks. Here is on such design that features alternately spaced horizontal steel bars which add strength and stability to the grill. The glossy steel grill also radiates a clean and refined look that no other metal can offer. If your window has an outward pointing sill, then regular window grills may not be the right fit. Here is simple and aesthetic solution to this problem, where the grill is attached to the exterior wall of the window. The rounded lower half covers the sill and let you see if the planters and decorative elements, while the pointed bars on top scoot and let the enjoy some privacy without fear. If you have found a vintage element, then this window grill is sure to leave you impressed. The antique style window grill design is made with wrought iron that is quite robust and sturdy. Using a combination of vertical bars and arches, the grill cuts off any unwanted access to your home. It extends as a hold of plants to satisfy the green thumb in you. This beautiful wrought iron grille design is a match made in heaven for arched windows. The frame is designed to fit like gloves inside the window cavity. This type of grille work wide for independent homes and even resorts where the windows are unusually shaped and require customization. Most modern homes are equipped with white window instead of traditional black, increase aesthetic beauty. A white paint on the middle grille adds an elegant look to the home. Here is one such design which comes as a prefabricated piece that is ready to fix. The vertical bars with rounded ends add a contemporary and airy feel while increasing the sporty aspect. The reason why mesh windows grills are so popular is for the stylish sporty they offer. Wrought iron window grills serve two purposes: one to elevate the look of your home exterior and other is to restrict any nosy intruders. Wrought iron is known for its heavy weight, superior strength and durability, which are all desirable characters for a window grill. The best part is that the metal can be fabricated in different shades, like this ornamental pattern which features leaves and flowers with an added touch of color. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.